everyone, welcome you back in my geography class. I hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about the non-food crops from the chapter agriculture of class 10. In the earlier videos we have already discussed about the major food crops in India and also about the food crops other than grains. So today we will know about the non-food crops. Now what are non-food crops? You can well understand from the term non-food crops, that means the crops which are cultivated not to provide food, not to feed the population. Rather, these crops are referred as industrial crops. These crops are cultivated so that they can provide raw materials for manufacturing. So, the food crops that are cultivated in India are used as raw materials for manufacturing. Which are these crops that we will read in this chapter? We will read about rubber, about cotton and jute. Where cotton and jute are the fiber crops. So these are the three non-food crops that grows in India. So now let us know about rubber. Rubber. Let us know that which type of crop is rubber. Rubber is a plantation crop. Let us know India's rank in the world in the production of rubber. Thailand is the largest producer of rubber. And India ranks fourth in the production of natural rubber. So Thailand is the largest producer of rubber and India ranks fourth in the production of natural rubber. Now let us know that which is the cultivating season of rubber. Rubber grows in the Kharif season. Between June and July, sowing or we can say planting of rubber tree takes place. Now let us know which type of soil is preferred for the growth of rubber. Now for the growth of rubber, it requires well-drained, loamy or laterite soil. So for the growth of rubber, it requires well-drained loamy or laterite soil. Now let us know about the geographical conditions that is required for the growth of rubber. Now coming to the geographical condition that is required for the growth of rubber, we need to know about the temperature. So for the growth of rubber, hot and wet climate like that of the equatorial areas is required. During the growth of rubber, it requires cool climate, and during the germination and maturation, it requires warm climate. Rubber needs a temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius, and the temperature cannot be below 21 degrees Celsius. It is dangerous for rubber if the temperature reaches below 21 degrees Celsius. So rubber needs about 25 degrees Celsius of temperature, and the temperature cannot be below 21 degrees Celsius. Now in terms of rainfall, rubber needs heavy rainfall. Between 200 to 250 centimeter, and this should be well distributed throughout the year. That means it requires heavy rainfall, and the rainfall should be between 200 to 250 centimeter, and it should be well distributed throughout the year. Now let us know about the relief which is required for the growth of rubber. Now in terms of relief, for the growth of rubber, plain or undulating plain land is desirable, and the land should have good drainage. So plain or undulating plain land with good drainage is desirable for the growth of rubber. Now let us know who are the major producers of rubber in India. Major producers of rubber. Major producers of rubber are Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the Garo Hills of Meghalaya. Now let us know the important points that we must remember while knowing about rubber. Important points to remember or features that we must remember: that rubber is an equatorial crop, but can be also grown in tropical and subtropical areas. Equatorial crop means this is the equator, so rubber is usually grown in this area. So this is the zone where rubber is normally grown. But other than equatorial climatic condition, it can be also grown in tropical climatic condition, which is hot and humid, and also in the subtropical climatic condition. So that is why we call rubber as an equatorial crop, but can be also grown in tropical and subtropical areas. Rubber is labor intensive. Cheap labor is required for collection of latex, for preparation of rubber. Rubber is indispensable in transport industry and used in the production of tubes and tires. It is also used as industrial raw material. It is used as insulator in electric wires, cables, in making gums, eraser, in packaging, waterproof material, and in shoe making. So rubber is an equatorial crop but can be also grown in tropical and subtropical areas. It is labor intensive, it is indispensable in transport industry and used in the production of tubes and tires. It is used as industrial raw material, used as insulators in electric wires, cables, gums, eraser, packaging, waterproof material, and in shoemaking. So these are the major points that we must remember while reading about rubber. So in this video, we have discussed about rubber as a non-food crop. This video is divided into two parts. In the first part, we discussed about rubber, and in the second part of the video, we will discuss about cotton and jute, which are the fiber crops. I hope everybody understood what has been discussed in this video. If you have any problem or any suggestion, you can comment in the comment box given below. If you like my video, do share it with your friends and don't forget to hit the like button. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe my channel and do hit the bell icon to get the further notification of my upcoming videos. Stay tuned, I will be back soon with the next part of the video where we will get to know about the two fiber crops, cotton and jute. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you.